VisionAutoworks here with a Honda CRV headlight package finished up today. These are built on OEM style headlights. These are depot branded headlights that we require brand new, and we do the HID conversion or LED conversion on them. This customer went with the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0 by Xenon projectors. Really large bowls in these headlights, so we can fit a lot more. We do have several options on our website, but if you do want something custom, definitely reach out to us. The shrouds here are the Apollo 2.0 shrouds, and the customer just really wanted an OEM Plus build, really no extra frills or cosmetic additions here. So this is pretty much an OEM Plus build, giving him a lot better performance over the factory reflector halogen setup. These are full HID conversion now with the Morimoto HID kit, and with the Morimoto Mini D2S 5.0 projectors, definitely going to see a huge improvement over the factory setup here. We're going to cut the system on just to give you an idea of what it looks like lit up. And we have some Morimoto XB35 5000K bulbs here being driven by one of our Denso test ballasts, and here is it lit up just to give you an idea what it looks like. So you can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have a headlight package for this specific vehicle already set up that you can customize, add anything, additional modifications that you would like. And again, if you want something custom, if you have a specific projector you want retrofitted instead of what we currently offer on the website as a base package, just feel free to reach out to us, and we can definitely accommodate your needs. Our contact information is on our website, and you can reach us by phone or email, and that's www.visionautoworks.com.